What's up guys, Ruben Buijs here. Metallica, Sawblade, the making of, Am I Savage? Always a lot of fun, the making of videos from Hardwired to Self-Destruct. So let's enjoy together.
So it goes.
Funky.
So do you want to type that one out of it?
This is concert tuning.
So the second one resolves, the first one doesn't.
Right.
If you want to jam on it. When you put the pedal in, that makes it heavier. That's heavy and weird. I mean,
Heavy and weird.
Heavy and weird, story of my life.
stop. Play the second chorus, the second
Chorus.
second upbeat one. The first one.
Tangle. One of those riffs that you want to hit mute right there. Hit mute.
Yeah, I will as soon as I find it. Yeah.
One of those riffs that's either friggin' horrible or it's great but needs a lot of work. Because it's just so jerky, stop and jerky. But if we make it into a song that's all like that, I think it might be okay, you know.
That's great, man.
That's really cool, man.
Is everyone hitting the bop bop bam bam bam?
Yeah.
Cool. It's great. It's really cool. That took that to a whole nother level.
It's what's golden to me about that is not the octave in which it's in, it's the notes themselves. So is it E?
It's E, G,
G.
C, yeah.
E, G, C is the key. What octave you're in is not necessarily
Okay.
the best there. But so I think if we need to be low, just yeah.
I can even go.
Ooh, hey, hey.
Yeah.
That's not technically a legal note, but we can try it.
That's a good note to go to for sure. Mike, so call them E,
G,
G,
C sharp,
C sharp,
B flat,
A sharp.
A sharp, sorry. E,
E,
G,
G,
C sharp,
C sharp,
A sharp.
okay.
There's only one open. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Go.
Hard to hear.
Yeah, it's just crunch,
But it's heavy.
crunch, Bill.
It's hard to hear, but it still has effective.
Nice.
I
That
like
had
the
some
ending
good
tom
spots.
stuff.
What's that?
The ending tom stuff is good.
Yeah. That has some good fills. We're straying from the usual. Nice. Check this. I think the snare dropped a bit.
Welcome back to hell.
Maybe just hit that note. Welcome back to hell.
Okay.
Welcome back to hell. Welcome back to hell.
I think we have what we need. I think the other one's better.
All right.
Getting better.
It definitely is getting better. Hey, Zach, how's that guitar? Is it good?
Yeah, we'll just keep switching. It'll be fine. They sound very similar.
That was pretty cool. Can you do that again?
What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that again.
You do that all day.
Sure.
You got tape in there?
Just fresh tape.
Ignore the fucking camera! Jesus, it doesn't exist! Look at it, see? It's a red wall, see? There's no guy standing there.
Man, if
And
I
there's
wanted
no-
to get into pictures,
There's
I
no
would've got
camera.
into pictures.
There's no guy. Ignore it.
Am I savage?
I think higher is better.
yeah, that feels pretty good.
Arching back, shape, shifting range. Am I savage?
That was a good Am I Savage? by the way.
It was, I know, it was. I circled it. Just not sure. You want to punch in after it?
Let's do that.
Let's punch in after it. On 7, right?
Yeah, we can do that
Hell
on 6
yeah.
also.
Okay.
Scratching it.
I don't recognize you anymore.
I like it.
Okay.
Okay, but that right there is not a camera. That back there may be a camera. But that is not a camera, so ignore it. So let's hear this. So this is the one with the...
Did it squirt water at you or something?
That's still working.
Just checking.
What do you want to know?
Let's hear the solo.
Nice. Lot of fun as always. Not one of my favorite tracks, but I must admit, and some people have already told me that the second disc really has to grow on you. You really have to give it time. I agree. Still have the opinion that it's not as good as the first disc, but you know, that's my opinion. Agree, disagree, as always. It's fine. Again, the song has grown on me. I like it. I don't love it, but Scott Kirkwood, one of the solos, really liked the solo on this song. Really not much to say. How many songs do we have we yet to go? Have we had Halo on Fire making off and Spit of the Bone making off? We haven't had the Dose one yet. So I'm looking forward to those two. Or am I wrong? We didn't have a Halo on Fire making of, right? No. Guys, what do you think about the song? What's your favorite song on the second disc, if you don't count Spit on the Bone, of course. Maybe you like another song better than Spit Out the Bone. Please let me know. Guys, thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, click on the like button. Subscribe if you like what I do. Or we're gonna help me reach 1,000 subs. Bye bye.